Yo, what's up everyone? It's How to Docs here, and we're back with another video. Ever dreamt of building your own website? You know, that perfect online space to showcase your work, your ideas, your projects. But then, you think about all that code, all that tech stuff, and it just seems impossible, right? Well, that's where AI comes in. These days, you don't need to be a coding wizard to build a website. Today we're going to show you how to create a stunning, professional website using AI, and it's surprisingly easy. We're talking about tools that ask you a few questions, you give them some basic info, and boom, they build a personalized website just for you. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of AI and launch your own website, buckle up because we're diving in. Let's go! Alright, so, first things first, we need to pick the right tool for the job. Now there are a bunch of AI website builders out there, each with its own strengths and features. We're talking about platforms like Wix ADI, Jimdo Dolphin, and Squarespace, which has some AI features built in. So how do you choose? Well, it all comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Think about what kind of website you want to create, what features are essential for you, and then do a little research. Check out their pricing plans, explore their templates, and see what kind of customization options they offer. Most of them have free trials or free plans so you can test the waters without spending any money. Once you've chosen your AI website builder, it's time to start building. Don't worry, I told you this was going to be easy. Instead of throwing you into a blank canvas and saying, "Go wild," these AI tools are going to ask you a few simple questions to understand your vision. The more information you give the AI, the better it can tailor the website to your specific needs. This is the fun part, guys. This is where we get to sit back, relax, and let the AI work its magic. Once you've answered the initial questions, the AI gets to work analyzing your responses and generating a personalized website design. We're talking about choosing layouts, selecting color schemes, picking fonts, all that good stuff that would normally take hours of work, and the best part, it happens in minutes. You might be surprised by how good these AI website builders have become. Now, just because the AI does a lot of the heavy lifting doesn't mean you're locked into whatever it creates. Think of it as a starting point, a solid foundation that you can then customize to your heart's content. Most AI website builders give you a good amount of control over the design. Want to change the colors? No problem. Want to tweak the layout or add new sections? You got it. You can easily add your own images, videos, and text to make the website truly your own. Once you're happy with how your website looks and feels, it's time for the final step, publishing it to the world. Generally, it's as simple as clicking a button, choosing a domain name, that's your website's address, connecting it to a hosting provider, and boom, your website is live for the world to see. No complicated setup, no technical headaches, just pure online awesomeness. Most AI website builders make it super easy to manage your website after it's published. So, there you have it, guys. Building a website doesn't have to be this daunting, time-consuming task anymore. With the power of AI, you can go from zero to a fully functional website in no time. If you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, give AI website builders a try. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech tips and tutorials. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.